We have come to the Dhakuria Lakes, and this is early in the morning, and it has been opened for public again. And as you can see, there is considerable amount of crowd. And today is 26th January, the Republic Day of India. So it's a special day also, and it's on a holiday. So lot of persons have come today, and I have also come to the lakes after a long time. As a regular morning walker, all the activities had been stopped due to COVID scare. Now the COVID scare is gone, and we are back to the lakes. So really we are enjoying it.